मुझे फिज़िक्स शुरू से पसंद नहीं थी। फिर ऐसा क्या हुआ कि आज के डेट में मैं सबको फ़िज़िक्स पढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। मुझे फ़िज़िक्स में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें मिली जिससे मुझे लगा कि मैं शायद दूसरों को भी फ़िज़िक्स के लिए इंटरेस्टेड कर सकता हूँ। इसलिए आज मैं आपके सामने 10 ऐसे फ़िज़िक्स के फैक्ट्स लेके आया हूँ जिससे मुझे फ़िज़िक्स में इंटरेस्ट आया। तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, आपको भी शायद इंटरेस्ट आ जाए। आज का वीडियो आपके लिए बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। 10 फिज़िक्स के ऐसे फैक्ट्स जो आपकी दुनिया बदल देगी। नंबर 1 in the list, light waves don't always move in straight lines. It is generally believed that light waves only move in straight lines. However, as per the recent research in 2010 using computer-controlled hologram, it has been proved that light too can get twisted into knots. According to the study, when light passes through the hologram, it twists into different shapes, producing multiple knots. Number 2 in the list, unbelievable hydrogen energy. It is estimated that Sun burns around 620 million metric tons of hydrogen per second into 616 million metric tons of helium. Out of this total volume, around 4 million tons of mass enters the solar system. Furthermore, only about 3.6 pounds of mass reaches our Earth. Had even 1% of energy produced out of the fusion reached us, what would have been the scenario? Number 3 in the list, human radiation. As per the recent studies and discoveries in the field of physics, a nude human body constantly radiates around 1000 watts of heat and absorbs about 900 watts. However, once the person covers his body with clothes, the outflow of the heat flux reduces considerably due to the exterior barriers. The amount of heat outflow from the human body is more than enough in lighting up a 100-watt bulb for some time. Guys, don't try this, at least not in front of others. Number 4 in the list, anti-gravity movements. Water can easily run against the gravitational pull when moving up narrow pipes. The process is described as capillary action. Water moves up in the narrow spaces without any assistance and against the gravitational force. This ability of liquid proves that gravitational force cannot control the movement of every matter present on Earth. At times, other forces, like surface tension in this case, can defeat it. So now coming halfway to the list, viscous fluids can flow at high speeds. It is generally believed that viscous fluids cannot flow fast enough like water, a liquid with reduced viscous level. However, some scientists went on to prove that fluids like ketchup can attain high speeds too. It constantly steered over a period of time till they attain momentum. Once thrust is achieved, the viscous force dwindles down considerably and free movement is observed. Pretty cool, huh? Number 6 in the list, gravitational constant. The standard value of the gravitational constant is 9.8 meter per second square. It must be well known to all the science students that the value is calculated from the free fall of an object at sea level. The point worth noting is that the free fall should be at latitude of 45 degrees from the base level in order to attain this value than 90 degree as believed by the most. Again, a very interesting fact. Number 7. Air current. The speed of wind near the surface of ocean is much lower than what is observed in the higher altitudes. The reason can be attributed to the friction it receives from the water surface. It is due to this reason that most birds fly at a higher altitude. They manipulate the wind power in order to use least amount of energy on flying. So now you have some idea why birds fly so high. Number 8, and I am sure a lot of you will love this. Universe is a computer. On the basis of paper published by a professor in MIT, the universe is equivalent to a computer. The figure is roughly equal to 10 to the power 120 bits. The number was calculated by him on the basis of the amount of information that can be stored in a volume just before it adopts the properties of a black hole. The information can be equated to absolute entropy of the universe. Number 9. Mystery of microwave and liquids. This has to be funny. As per the latest research worldwide, water in the liquid state has the characteristics to enable many new molecular interactions to develop. This helps in engaging absorption of heat by food items. Due to this property, food items like burgers become soft enough to be eaten after coming out of the microwave ovens. I told you this one is indeed funny. So last in the list, ultimate expansion. It is proved by scientific theories that the universe is constantly expanding. It is expanding at a decent pace, and it is believed that galaxies will evaporate in the coming 10 to the power 19 to 10 to the power 20 years. It has been learned from a number of theories by different physicists worldwide that only white dwarfs or type of star would be able to survive as their lifetime. Oh, cool, huh? सो गाइस, जैसा मैंने आपसे कहा था वीडियो की शुरुआत में कि मैं आज आपसे कुछ ऐसे फैक्ट्स डिस्कस करने वाला हूं जो आपको फ़िज़िक्स पढ़ने के लिए इंटरेस्टिंग बना देगा, आपको एक तरह से फ़िज़िक्स पढ़ने में मजबूर कर देगा। वैसे कहने की ज़रूरत तो है नहीं, बट प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल।